What am I expecting? I expect price to bounce at this point and make another higher high because of the new trend. Hey, what is up everybody, and welcome back of course to ZeroFX TV show. Okay, in this video someone texted me and inboxed me that, hey Miles, could you please again show us again how you analyzed AUD/USD? So I was like, it's okay guys, I'm gonna do it again, and I hope you understand everything, and I hope this video helps you learn something. Don't forget that this video is being sponsored by Xnest, one of the leading brokers. Please check my link in the description. Click that link and open yourself a trading account. You can WhatsApp me if you have difficulties in opening a trading account. You can WhatsApp me, and don't forget to check the description. Click the description and join the Telegram free group. Of course guys, don't forget to join the Telegram free group where I do share my updates and sometimes part of my analysis. Now if you watch this trade, if you watch the first video about AUD/USD and you took this trade, you should have been blessed and you should have made some money for yourself. Now I told you guys that you're just gonna excuse me because I'm not using my pieces for now for something like 1 full month or 2 weeks, because I was recommended that by the doctor. So I'm just gonna be focusing on my phone, and let me hope that you will understand the video and you will watch everything. Okay, and please just make me show some love to this channel. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment guys. Let me see your comments if you love the channel. If this channel is so helpful to you, of course leave a like, and don't forget of course that at the end of this month I'm gonna be giving out 4 accounts, 5,000 USD of my forex funds, of course evaluation accounts. And make sure you try so much hard, practice and try to see how you're consistent enough so you can be able to get into this list. Okay, it's just something, a giveaway. You don't need to pay anything. Okay guys, so now this AUD/USD, I'm gonna repeat it from zero. Okay, yeah, from let me first delete everything. If you love the channel, man, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to, of course, leave a comment guys. I love you guys so much. So now the first thing that you have to see is this is AUD/US dollar. Okay, I told you one thing guys, is what is so much important is, okay, before I move on, don't forget that I do share trades. Okay, like I do share this. Don't forget I do share trades, and if you want to be part of the group, of course you can just WhatsApp me, or of course check the pinned comment in the Telegram group, check the pinned comment in my YouTube video, the pinned comment. Then you can see more about the website, about my offers and my details, and about most of my programs if you also need classes. Now let me explain to you guys this trade very well. Make sure you watch this, because it's gonna help you, because we learn through mistakes, and we learn, this is the best way to learn. Now I told you one thing guys, go to high time frames. Now let's go to weekly. Okay, I told you guys why I said buy this trade. If you watch the first video, then you should have got some good pips. I want you to look at this candle and look at this candle. You could see that the opening price of this candle, okay, and the closing price of this candle was almost the same opening of this bearish candle, and then the closing price of this candle. Now what does that imply to you? Why is it that the opening price of this bullish candle, I'm drawing the opening price of this bullish candle, why is that this bearish candle formed just a rejection and failed to close below this price, which was the opening price of the bullish candles? What does that mean? It means there is a strong bullish impulse coming in. Wow, that is cool. And I want you to look at the shape of this candle. A very strong rejection candles. You guys have forgotten, so like you're forgetting very cool things that can really help you in the market. This is a strong rejection candle, and it's very important in the market. Okay, now I want you to look at something here. After you've notified this, okay, I'm still holding AUD/USD until I see how the monthly candle closes. Will it close as a rejection candle, or it will again form a bearish candle? Let's wait and see. Good enough, I've already put my stop loss. Now let's go to daily, and I told you one thing, daily was not all that convincing to me, and I left it. Yes, I left it, but weekly showed me the direction. Now the importance of weekly chart is very important. It shows you the direction of the next week. Then for monthly, it shows you the direction of the next month. That's why I told you guys that at the end of the month, try to look at how the candle closed, so that you can have some bias, okay, so you can see how the next market could look like. Now let's go to H4. That's where it caught my attention. Okay? And I want you to look at something so sweet, guys. I want you to look at first this. Look at where we drew. I don't know. Just look at where we said that was our price. That was our rejection point in weekly. Then come to H4. See what happened. See what happened. Price retraced and formed even an engulfing pattern and respected the same price, then moved up. I hope you've understood that. Now let's go slowly by slowly. I don't want to rush. I told you one thing, guys. Okay? This was a bearish trend. Yes, I do accept that. But something funny happened. I told you one thing is mark your main lower lows. Of which, let me just mark something like how many? Maybe 2 there. Yeah, 2 there. Now, if you look at this point, we're having so like look at this point. Why we were supposed to have another lower low here, but price ended up becoming a rejection. So meaning this lower low was respected. Okay, it was respected. Then you could see all this nice structure. Now you have to pay attention to the structures in the markets. If you don't know about market structure, BMS, SMS, go and watch my old videos, my friend. You should do that. It will help you. It's for your own benefit. Now, what happened later is you could see this. Price broke our structure. And that is when we made the first video. And then we were like, price will move to the second higher high, which is this point. Now, let me show you something funny. When price breaks the market structure, I want you to do something. Mark that point where that structure was broken. Let me change the color to red. So this was our BMS. BMS price. BMS means break market structure. Okay, then after breaking market when market structure has been broken, what comes into your mind? Either a new trend or a nice retracement that you need to catch. Some retracements are very powerful. They can get you even 80 pips. And I don't see any reason why you should leave that. Now, since our market structure was formed, then we shall start counting new stuff. Higher high. Okay? Then after the first higher high, you now look for your order block. Where is the last bullish candle? Sorry, the last bearish candle before this higher high? It is of course this one here. I told you when you're drawing the order block, make sure you do one thing. Include the bottom wick and exclude the top wick. Now, Miles, go and draw your order block. Come up to down here rectangle and draw it. Exclude the bottom wick. Sorry, exclude the top wick of that bearish candle. Now, you can see the rejection at that point with a strong engulfing candle. When you see this engulfing candle now, it is an additional confirmation, guys, to buy. Keep holding that trade. And if you watch the full video of last time, I told you that you should enter more trades from here if you see a rejection candle. And a few entered, of course, that I knew. And this is H4. You get that. Now, price has formed another higher high. What is our higher high? It is here. That is our a second higher high. I call it higher high 2. Now, good enough, this has happened. Now there is what we call, I told you at first that the trend, the main trend of this trade was bearish. And you know, bearish trend consists of lower lows. Lower low, lower low, lower low. Then these pullbacks. So these pullbacks, I call them correction zones, which act as strong support and resistance points. Now, I'm going to mark the main correction points. The main correction points, those ones which have been broken and those ones which have not been broken. It starts with also that one of them. So I'm going to use a different color. Let me start from here. Okay, I'm going to use a different color. Black. Okay, then let me mark again another strong correction point. It is there. I again mark another strong correction point. It is, where is it? There. Then again mark another strong correction point. It is there. Now you can see that price has reached our main correction point. Now let's see what will happen. Okay, that is how you analyze the market. But now I want you to be very careful with round numbers. If you want to find sniper entries in the market, if you don't know how to make round numbers, go and check the old videos. And for those guys who are in Uganda who have been asking me about my live classes, I'll be organizing next month. So if you want to be part of it, you better inbox me and I give you the details and I give you everything so you can be part of it. Live session about all the strategy and how to find entries, how to analyze the market like a pro, and how to be consistent. Teach about psychology in the trade, because let me tell you one thing, my friend, if you're not patient in the forex trading, I promise you life can be very hard. Okay, you can just close a trade at this point here, then after 2 days you regret. You didn't make profits there, you lost because you didn't get all what the market was supposed to give you. So I want you to do one thing. When you get a chance to make a profit, get everything. Don't leave anything. Get everything. Don't leave anything. Yeah, get everything. Don't leave anything. And of course, I told you guys that I'll be giving out stuff. And I'm not praising, but I'm so happy about Nigerians because they're the biggest guys who watch my channel. Thank you so much. And Kenyans, South Africans, Ugandans, of course, Zambians, Botswana, Indians. I love you guys and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. What you can just do is leave a comment where you're watching from, where you're watching this video from. And of course, let's chance a chance and be part of those that I'm going to fund. Only 4 people. Of course, they should be from different countries. This channel is a global channel. It's for many people, different countries, different continents, and I love that, guys, that you love my content. So leave a comment where you're watching from and leave a comment how you love my channel, and let me hope the best that you guys can grow in this career. Okay, now this is H4. Now if you go to H1, after marking H4, H1 could also be helpful to you. I want you to look at H1. You see in H1 it was the same. Our entry point was almost the same thing, just it was still respecting. You get that? Just the same thing. Just the same thing. So this could be your second entry point if you watch the first. This could be your second entry point if you watch the first video. So I told you guys I do always make videos only late in the night, and if you want me to make video about anything, just leave a comment there so I can organize my time. I've seen so many guys told me that, hey Miles, make a video about psychology. I'll organize my time and I'll make a video about psychology, and I hope it will really help you into becoming consistent in forex trading. And one thing that I'll leave you guys with is, please work hard and get funded. It's a sweet world. Hey, I'm sorry for that, but it's a reality, my brother, because I promise you one thing, growing a small account, it's not really hard, but sometimes we have a lot of bills. So one thing I can advise you is go the hard way or suffer the rest of your life. What is the hard way? Go for the challenge. Pass it. When you go for the challenge, you'll perfect on your mind. I don't want to talk about this so much, but I'm just speaking the reality. I'm trying to tell you the real things. If you want to change your life faster, I promise you, it's not a shortcut. It's a real game changer. Just take the main steps. Forget about funding these small accounts, this toy. If you want, I'm just telling you the truth. If you want to make real cash, if you're losing money, let me give you one advice. Stop trading for a while. Okay, when you stop trading for a while, focus on being consistent first. Find yourself a clear mentor who will help you. Than funding 10, 20, at the end of 2 months, my friend, you've lost $300. You've used $200 in bits that you would have used that money to build up your mind, to build up your knowledge, and fasten yourself into the trading career. No one will help you in trading, my friend. You have to wake up and go for the real things. I wish you all the best, guys. If you're watching this video, don't forget that I love you, and don't forget to be part of the challenge. Let's see who wins this, guys. I wish you all the best. I told you guys that if you've been in my channel where I'm having a road, like I wish everyone could get funded. And I told you guys next year I'll be having my own prop farm and it will help you guys. I wish everyone could get funded. And this year I feel like helping like something to deal with the 200 people, not funding them of course, but helping them pass the challenge and everything. I wish you all the best, guys. See you next time. Don't forget that I love you so much. Okay, leave a comment. Let me see what you think about this video, of course. And of course, leave a comment about anything that you want me to make, any content that you want, something that is disturbing your mind, understanding. Just do one thing. Then of course, check the pinned comment, check my website in the pinned comment, just a simple one. If you need extra service and extra help, I wish you all the best, guys. See you next time, man.